Okay, hi there, Dimi. Let's turn this floor plan here into a planimetric. So the first thing I'm going to do is, well, as you can see, I've deleted all the dimensions. Look, this version of this file I had didn't have a front elevation here, so I'm actually going to guess your height. But if you had the front elevation here, we could actually trace the height. But look, let's give it a go anyway. Selected it, object, transform, rotate. Mine's on 45 because guess what? I've been doing some 45-degree drawings. If yours isn't, pop it onto 45 degrees and hit OK. Now, so it doesn't move, I will lock it. So locking that down. Now I'm going to zoom in. Now, as I said to you before, if your elevation was still here, we could use our pen tool and we could sort of just get a tracing of the height. So I'm sort of guessing yours might have been something like this. Notice that my fill is on. I'm just going to turn that off to 0. I just really want a line there. So from memory, and I am working with my memory here, I'm thinking that this part here is your top. And that is going to go here, and we'll copy and paste that. And we'll pop that there like that. The next thing we have is a line that joins these two together. Okay. Now that we've got that there, because we will remove that soon, I'm going to use this line here now, and that's going to come to here. And we can actually go on top, and that will go to there. And you know what, Dimi? I'm actually going to join this like that, because that way I can actually make that a solid shape like that. How does that sound? All right. So this isn't on 45-degree angle lines, but this is, which is the middle, which we will get rid of soon. And so is this, mate. Okay. So again, going back here, going to draw here, going to draw here, going to draw here, going to draw here. And there's my top part. Okay. Now, I can now actually move this line here. Possibly do that by just double clicking and delete. And you know what? You can't see that, so I'll just let that go. Now that's your top part. We now need to actually pop these little fellas in. So to do that, what I'm actually thinking is, again, I could actually draw that line again, couldn't I? I might steal it if it doesn't. Let's see if I can steal that. I can steal that. Look at that. So I'm now going to bring this down here. Now we both know, don't we, that this is flat and that these ones here are your angles. So what I can do, Dimi, is actually put that there, copy, paste, put that there, paste, and I'll put this one here as well. Just bring that down like so, okay, and paste. Let's put this one right here. All right, so there's, so far so good. Now we're also going to draw, and can you see I've actually got this, see it says 45? Let's check to see if yours does as well. You go to Illustrator, go to Preferences, go to Smart Guides, and see mine is on Construction Guides, 90 and 45. Make sure yours is as well. So going back to this, so see how I can actually go like this? Look, and I know I'm on my 45 degrees. So I actually want this line to help me out. I'm trying to determine what yours is all about. So I will delete this line when I finish, but I'm just using it for the moment to work out what I'm doing. All right, Dimi. So we know that this one goes here, don't we? But I have a funny feeling that this line here quite possibly goes to here, doesn't it? Is that correct, Dimi? And that this one here goes to here. All right, and I might just get rid of this line and get rid of this line. All right, then I'm going to copy paste. Actually, I won't copy and paste. I'm going to draw a second line. Again, making sure it's on the 145 or 135, which is sort of the opposite direction. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to bring this up and see it's going to join, bang, like that. All right, so this one here, copy and paste. Okay, that's going to go to there. And this is going to go to here. Can you see what's going on there, Dimi? Now I can actually get rid of this, and I think I can get rid of this, can't I? So let's find out what I can do. So I'm going to unlock all, and here, just get rid of a few things. Alright. So Dimi, how's this looking so far? Right, is this starting to look like what your design is? What do you think, mate? This one here is going to also go to here like that. Now, from memory, I need to actually take this line here, copy and paste, and that is also going to go here, like that. Again, what do you think? How's that looking? So it's almost like a tent, and these are the flaps that are sort of sitting up so that you could sort of, hang out under there. Could be a good way to think about it. So again, I'll bring that to there, like so. Now I do know that you do have another line that's sort of, if you could imagine extending, actually, you know what, let's extend it now to here, yeah. And then you do have another line that goes here, but from memory, I think it sort of then sort of goes out a bit like that, doesn't it? So this one here we can delete. We might just keep that one in there. Alright, so we know this is correct. This is the top, and now we just pretty much need to get rid of this. So we'll delete, and we'll delete. Oops, I won't delete too much. This needs to go to here, and this needs to go to here. This can go to here, here. Delete, delete. So we're almost there, Dimi. Okay, so we might get rid of some of these thick lines because they look a little bit disconcerting. I might ungroup it. So they look a bit too thick, don't they? Alright, so it's looking a bit odd, and we can go back in and make a few more. So you're not even going to see this, Dim. You might actually see the side of it there, like that. So that's the side, but you will also see with this, I think we'll actually put this one in as a wall. So you can sort of imagine walking in through here, yeah, and you can also walk in through here. Obviously we can't see a wall there, that's actually the outside. This is your top, and this is going in here and underneath. So I hope this helps you out, and I hope I've done okay because I've guessed a few things. Alright, good luck with it.